Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming carrier support and exact bands your phone uses, because boosters must match frequencies. Once done, buy a carrier-approved signal booster kit. This avoids service blocks and ensures legal operation. Next, climb carefully or use a ladder to find the roof or attic spot with the strongest outdoor signal. You want clear line of sight to the nearest tower. Make sure to check cable lengths and plan a shortest path indoors to minimize loss before final installation. You now mount the outdoor directional antenna and aim it precisely at the tower. Use an app or compass for azimuth. Once aligned, feed a high-quality, low-loss coax cable straight into the building. Shorter runs preserve signal, so route the cable with gentle curves and secure clamps. Then place the amplifier in a central interior spot, keeping it at least 1 to 2 meters from both antennas to prevent self-oscillation. Make sure connectors are tight and weatherproof the outdoor junctions to prevent corrosion. You finish by powering the booster and slowly raising the gain while watching signal bars and running speed tests. Small increases can have big effects, so adjust gradually. After a baseline, test on several devices and locations indoors to confirm consistent improvement. If you see unstable bars or dropped connections, that's usually oscillation. Reduce amplifier gain, increase distance between antennas, or re-aim the outdoor antenna. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.